Alrighty, y'all. Hey, excuse the editing. I didn't have no introduction to this video. I meant to film like six lawns like in one video, but I was just so all over the place. So I made a couple videos with those other lawns already. So this is the two lawns in one video right now. So this is the first lawn, y'all. Beginning with the edging right now. I'm gonna go in like speed up the video a little bit fast so I won't bore you because I don't want to lose you in the video because I know how everybody likes short videos now. So I always edge, mow, string trim, and blow off the grass clippings. This yard has a lot of pine needles, so we're like in the fall season right now. Grass is dormant, but the pine needles right there, you see them on the ground, they're starting to fall. So what I do, I haven't put them on there yet, but I put mulching blades on my mowers, and I just mulch pine needles and leaves during the fall and winter season. Okay, in this case, if they have trees with pine needles already, because the customer likes the pine needles around the trees, the little decoration. So in this case, I just blow them to the trees right there. You see, I'm just going back and forth blowing them to the trees. All right, so that's one way to service pine needles. You just blow them to the trees, or put mulching blades on and just go in circles and just mulch them back to the ground. All right, so and there I am with that facial hair, y'all. I said it again. I retired like about last month, trying to grow that facial hair. Haven't done that for like 27 years, y'all. You know what I mean? Because I always have to shave every day. Anyway, there I am, y'all. So just mowing. It's a small front yard with like trees and everything. This is a $70 yard. Mowing, edging, mowing, string trimming, and blowing off the grass clippings from the driveway in the street. I gotta say, blowing off the grass clippings. I know it's implied, but trust me, there's some side hustlers out there. They ain't blowing off the grass clippings from the street or the driveway. It just like looks very unprofessional. So there's a good customer. He pays before the next service. So see y'all at the backyard, they got like a lot of leaves and pine needles. You can't really see because of the shade. But when the fall and winter season comes, you could continue service with them, y'all. Every 2 weeks still. They're maintaining the removal slash mulching of pine needles and leaves. All right. Look, they see all those pine needles. I'm just freaking cutting up. All right. So it's good to use mulching blades because you want to blow everything away from the trees and just mulch them, y'all. Blow everything away from the fence and trees and just mulch. All right. In this case, it's not really ready to do like a leaf or pine needle cleanup. Grass still kind of grew back there in the back. So this is regular service, y'all. But I'm doing a couple of circles around, just mulching up these leaves I see on the ground. And you can see that got some light there. But they have dogs in the back, so there are a lot of what he called there's like dog poop. You know what I mean? So they're good at picking up the dog poop. I just showed up a day early, all right, because I saw the forecast and had some rain coming in the next day. Right there, y'all, they have a lot of roots right there, so you always want to be careful when you have a new customer. You have to know where they have roots at, all right? I have my mower deck right there at 3 inches. Okay, so just to make sure I'm not damaging the spindles, the baffles, or the blades, So you gotta take care of equipment, Joe. You gotta be careful. All right. Hey, please leave a comment, all right, in the comment box, all right. Tell me what you think. Do you have any questions? Like, how do I do things? How do I quote? This is a $70 yard. Ask me, how did I come up with the quote? I'll tell you right now. They have dog poop. They have roots. You know what I mean? At the bottom of the trees exposed. I got to go over that. They got a lot of pine needles, a lot of leaves that fall. So just that's wear and tear, y'all, for the bearings and the spindles and the pulleys. All right, that's maintenance, all right. So that's how I came up with that, y'all. Dog poop. If I run over it, it flies up in the air. It gets in the air. It gets on my face. I breathe it in. It gets on the mower. So that costs money, y'all. My health, it costs money. So yeah, that's how I come up with that quote. All right. Some people, they quote different. They quote like Hey, from point 1 to point 3 acres is going to be this much. Point 3 to 6 acres is going to be this much. Point 6 to point 8 acres is going to be this much, and so on. All right. That's how some people quote. They quote different. But hey, how do you quote? All right. Do you have any questions? Please leave a comment. Hey, please hit that like button. I will really appreciate it. All right. And also please subscribe. All right. So here you go. I'm done blowing. All right, y'all. So done with that yard. That was a $70 yard. So I'm off to the next yard. I ain't gonna film it. Time is precious right now. I gotta pick up my kid in a bit from school. So I'm retired now, so that's one of my duties now is dropping my kid off at school and picking him up. So that's the only thing that's hindering me from like on lawn care. If I'm like on one side of the city, if I'm not done with all those yards on that side, I gotta pick up my kid. I gotta go back all the way over there. So I gotta make sure I do all those yards on one side, then pick up my kid, and then I can finish doing yards like on another part. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all, let me knock out this yard. First, let me knock on the customer's door just to make sure he's good with me serving his yard today. There is grass. It has grown. Okay, so I already told him 2 weeks ago that I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off. His bi-weekly service this month, so this is like the second service of the month, and the following month in November will probably be just like one cut, or if he wants me to come like multiple, like still twice next month. So all right, let me go and knock it out. All right, y'all, here we go. My next customer, another faithful customer for the whole season. We picked them up at the beginning of the season. The reason why they called us, I came over, gave them first question I asked, hey, so do you have a Lawncare guy before? And they just said that the Lawncare guy was slacking. He wasn't showing up. You know what I mean? So, hey, y'all, customers, they like when they're on the schedule. Okay, some of these customers, y'all, they want to be on a schedule. All right, they're used to that. All right, they're used to repetition. All right, they're used to like being on the schedule. All right, they're all by time management, man. They're like professionals. So this is an awesome customer, y'all. This grass grows fast during the season. All right. The front yard, it does need to be cut. The backyard, that backyard grows fast, all right? You're gonna see that. It's not as long as it usually is though, but this is probably the last cut for this month, and I'm gonna like follow up with them in 3 weeks, because and after that that'll probably be the last cut. So they got one more cut after this. But hey, look, they got leaves right there in the front, and they're gonna see in the back they got trees with leaves going in the back. So once again, y'all, you could keep them as a bi-weekly customer, mulching leaves, all right? And I just price them the same. I come out $80 to go over all the leaves, just mulch them. I put my gator blades on there and I just mulch them, like until they disappear. All right, so or you could come once a month, all right? But let them, if you come once a month, there's more leaves on the, see those trees right there? The more leaves there are, the more I gotta mulch. So it may be a little bit more, so more likely they're gonna want you like at least once a month. Hopefully twice a month. Hey, but there's only one way to find out is ask them. Hey, I could come every twice a month still. Would you prefer that? Or do you want me to come once a month? But it may be a little bit more depending how many leaves I gotta mulch. All right, hey, you never know unless you ask. Sometimes they even, they don't even want the service. But when they call you back at the beginning of next year to mulch all those leaves, hey, you're gonna have to price them. You're gonna have to give them a higher quote, okay? Because just more leaves and pine needles you gotta mulch, more wear and tear on your equipment. All right, all that dust and everything getting inside the pulleys and the spindles, those bearings are getting all worn out. But other than that, y'all, I already like this customer. I got blessed with them. I'm glad they called us. They're real nice. They're real nice people, real nice couple. You know, they do got a dog. I never have problems with dog poop in the backyard. I always pick up the dog's poop. You know, sometimes I don't come unannounced though, but the day of, I go, oh, you know, sorry, I'm coming. I should be there soon. You know, coming a day early, and I'll go back to the dog poop's already picked up. But as you can see, y'all, yes, I am cutting grass. All right, we're in a dormant season. We're in fall, and yeah, I see that there is grass, y'all. Okay, so that's why I didn't want. That's why I still have them on a 2 week schedule. All right, but after this, in 2 weeks, I'll follow up with them. Hello, I'm this Charles from AllCoastLawncare. I do have you on schedule for tomorrow. Is that gonna be okay with you? And they say no, then we'll skip this week. So, all right, I'll follow up with you with next week. And the grass, I mean, I have a rule. You know, I mean, if they skip a week, then it's gonna be more. But that's during the season, dude. The when the grass is growing. Right now, the grass is just dormant. Man, but I don't know, man. Like, I may just cut the grass in 2 weeks because that's a lot of grass that grew in 2 weeks. But who knows? Who knows? All right, we'll find out. All right, there I am, string trimming. All right, so I did a lot of editing. I didn't really move the camera around a lot because I'm always running out of time. I do got to pick up my kid, like within about 30 minutes. Hey, but if you haven't, please hit like and leave a comment, hit subscribe, share. I hope you're enjoying this video, my little vlog. But anyway, so I'm about to be done, and that's it, y'all. All right, y'all. That was a quick mow. I only filmed me on mowing. That was a $70 yard mowing, edging, and string trimming, and blowing off the grass clippings. Blowing off the grass clippings, that's implied, but you know what I'm saying? Just gotta say it because a lot of people don't blow off the grass clippings from the street, which is bad. You know what I'm saying? So that's not good business, y'all. Blow off the grass. If you're here watching how to do a side hustle or lawn care business, how to service, blow off the clippings off the street, off the driveway, off the walkway, and blow off the vehicle too. You're gonna find that there's like a lot of dust from the mower that got caught on the vehicle. So blow off the vehicle, okay? Who knows? Maybe we're looking out your window like, wow, that's awesome. They're blowing off my vehicle. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.